Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to create new project and we're going to build a basic authentication features. First, let's create a new project. Open your terminal and run Rails new Instagram. So our project will name Instagram and I will specify the version we're going to use in this project. So before new, let's type underscore underscore, and between that, let's type 5.1.4. So the version we're going to use is Rails 5.1.4 and hit enter. So as you see, it automatically creates default files, folders, everything you need. Now cd Instagram, cd to our project, and using your favorite editor or IDE. In my case, I'm using Atom, so type Atom dot to open our project. So now you have a project. Next, we're gonna build authentication features. What we're gonna use is a gem called Devise. So basically, a gem is a library, and it's supposed to make your life easier, literally. So here is the Devise GitHub page. You will see the way to install its features, literally, etc. They explain very detailed in here. So back to our project, you can add the gem by opening the gem file and type at the end of the file, let's type gem Devise and hit save. So basically, the gem file is the place where all your app's gem or dependencies are declared. Okay. Next, let's back to a terminal and run bundle install. So this command will install all your gem which has been specified in the gem file. So after install all the gem, next you type Rails generate Devise semicolon install. So you may wondering where this command comes from. And once again, this command comes from Devise GitHub page. So this is just initial setup. Just follow me, okay? So some setup we must do manually. Yeah, and the first one, it tells us to edit this lab code, copy it. So we have to paste it inside development.rb. So let's open config, environment, development.rb, and at the end of the file, paste it in here and hit save. So the second, it tells us to do something with the rounds.rb file. And the next session, in the next video, I'm gonna do with the rounds. So just skip it for now. And the third step, we have to add this lab codes, copy it, and we add it in this file. So app, view, layout, application, HTML and paste it in here, save it. And the last step is to generate some Devise default views and hit enter. Okay, finished. Well, not really finished. We almost finished. So now let's run Rails generate Devise user. So this command will generate user model. It also creates migration, add the round, control, and the view. And later in the next coming videos, I'll explain about model, control, and the view, how it works. So don't worry. For now, I will explain about what is migration. For example, let's open a migration file that Rails has previously created for us. So it's inside db folder, migrate, and this file. So this migration file will create a table named users, and with some fields in here, email, password, etc., indexes. So instead of writing SQL query, create table names, fields, etc., You should run a migration like this. Okay. So back to terminal. So for SQLite to create table for us, now you have to run raise db migrate and hit enter. So that way we have a table and with 8 index for us. Now let's run our web application. Type rails server. So our server is running. Open your browser and go to localhost 3000 and your server is working. Now I want you to go to user sign in. Let's test our authentication. Yeah, the sign in look good. Let's go to sign up and test. I'm gonna create an account now to see if it's work. Now, how do we know that a new user is created? I want you to open the browser for SQLite. Now let's hit open database. So let's go to DB folder and go to this file development.sqlite3 and hit open. So you make sure to change browser data, the browser data tab, and choose user table. And inside here you see that you has a new user with the email I has been previously entered. So that's all for this video. See you in the next time.